Hey there, traders. Good day from Team Infuse. Thinking about scalping in Forex? It's like being the ninja of the trading world. Quick, precise, and always in and out before anyone notices. In this video, I'm going to show you what scalping is, how to do it, and why it's perfect if you have zero patience for waiting. So, what is Forex scalping? Scalping is a trading style focused on making multiple small trades throughout the day. The goal? Capturing tiny price movements for quick profits. Imagine you're picking up pennies in front of a steamroller. Sounds risky, but if you're fast enough, you'll be stacking those pennies into dollars. It's all about speed and precision, like being in and out of a heist before the alarm goes off. How does scalping work? It's simple. Scalpers rely on tools like 1-minute or 5-minute charts. They use technical analysis, focusing on indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, or RSI to find quick entry and exit points. Think of scalping as speed dating, but with charts. You're just looking for a quick spark, then you're out before things get too complicated. Now for some scalping strategies for beginners. First up, the moving average crossover. Buy when the shorter MA crosses above the longer MA and sell when it crosses below. Next, breakout trading. Look for breakouts from key support or resistance levels for quick trades. And finally, the RSI pullback. Enter when RSI dips into oversold or overbought territory and quickly reverses. But remember, indicators are like your GPS. They help, but sometimes they'll still lead you into a ditch. Let's talk pros and cons. Pros: scalping means more trading opportunities, faster results, and it's perfect if you have the attention span of a goldfish. Cons: but it's not all sunshine. Scalping can be stressful, like playing whack-a-mole with market moves. Plus, those transaction costs? They'll sneak up on you like a cat at 3 a.m. A good internet connection, fast order execution, and a broker with low spreads are essential. Ready to get started with scalping? Here are a few quick tips. Start with a demo account to practice your strategy. Find a broker with tight spreads. And always use a stop loss. Think of it as your safety net for when things go sideways. And remember, if you find yourself sweating after every trade, maybe scalping isn't for you. Try yoga or swing trading instead. Hit that like button if you're ready to try scalping, subscribe for more tips, and let's make those quick pips. Whether you are a beginner in Forex, a professional trader, investor, or a startup broker, feel free to reach out to us for a friendly chat or free consultation at info@pipinfuse.com or visit pipinfuse.com for more information. We may be able to assist you. All links in the description. Happy trading, everyone.